been to the mountains. I know how it used to be high. Been down in the desert. Red dirt, no wind in sight. I live as a man of my word. Put to the test that you're gonna learn. No need to set it in stone. Just you, me, and the bed. Gotta know. Come on, put the hurt on me. Break my bones, grab my cage. Doing your best and work, I see. Strike that match and start a new flame. There's a fight puts me 6 foot down. Just know that I held my own till that long black train comes back around. So carry me home. These days it ain't easy. Find yourself back against the wall. Hold tight, don't walk away. Remind yourself that you're 10 feet tall. I've learned everything I have. Try to get by, do the best I can. When the best ain't good enough, you better get ready when the going gets tough. Come on, put the hurt on me. Break my bones and rattle my cage. Doing your best and work, I see. Strike that match and start a new flame. There's a fight puts me 6 foot down. Just know that I held my own till that long black trail comes back around to carry me home. Come on, put the hurt on me. Break my bones and rattle my cage. Doing your best and work, I see. Strike that match and start a new flame. There's a fight puts me 6 foot down. Just know that I held my own till that long black train comes back around to carry me home.